Ready, kids of DR? Yes? Are you ready? Let's start. Can we all clap for them? Come on, let's cheer them up with a big round of applause.
अपनी आँखें खोले और कुछ करे अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल आओ शुरू करे अभी हमारे घर पर आई समस्या आओ सुलझाए इससे मिलकर हम अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल आओ शुरू सुधारे हाथ बढ़ाए हम अभी 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 आओ बनाए एक बेहतर कल आओ शुरू करे अभी
Come on everyone, let's clap for them. Super, come on.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई
Wow.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ पंख जरा फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले
That was a beautiful performance from our little kids of DR. Thank you. Well done. Our kids of EW for a small drama on friendship. Next performance, our students will celebrate the magic of friendship, showing us how true friends stand by each other through thick and thin, creating memories that last a lifetime. It is through friendship that we learn the true meaning of kindness, loyalty, and unconditional love. Please put your hands together for our beautiful kids on stage for a drama on friendship.
बहुत मजा आया हमने क्लास में नया गाना सीखा था मैं घर पे गाऊंगी पर वो तो मजेदार था लेकिन इसका मतलब वो नहीं तो तुम जानते हो मेरा और मैंने आज गलती की उसने मुझे अपनी पेंसिल नहीं दी मेरी चीजें मांगता है और फिर वापस ही नहीं करता। आज मुझे गुस्सा आ गया। बिल्कुल, है तो दोस्ती का मतलब है। अरे कट्टी बट्टी फिर से। तुम दोनों हर बार लड़ते हो, माफी भी मांगते हो, है ना? राज, मुझे लगता है कि मेरा बस पेंसिल सुरक्षित रखना चाहती थी। वो तुम्हारी दोस्त है ना? जो माफ करना राज, मुझे पेंसिल दे देनी चाहिए थी। मैं बस अपना जल्दी ड्राइंग खत्म करना चाहती थी। कोई बात नहीं मीरा, मैं समझता हूँ छोटी छोटी बातों पर नाराज हो जाता, लेकिन इसका मतलब वो नहीं कि हम दोस्त नहीं है। है तो दोस्ती का मतलब है हम लड़ते, कभी कभी हम नहीं समझ पाते, लेकिन हम एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं। हाँ, कत्ती कभी रहती नहीं, बत्ती से हम और मजबूत होते हैं। दोस्त लड़ते हैं, लेकिन हमेशा दूसरे से माफी मांगकर सब ठीक कर लेते हैं। दोस्त हमेशा रहेंगे। कत्ती बहू बाबू झूठ।
Wow. That was a beautiful drama on friendship. Thank you, children. You were wonderful. Coming up on stage, we are going to have our students from EW Berries for a dance on friendship. I'd like to call on the stage our students from EW Berries, Arav Keshwan, Kairav Nisari, Prarvi Butara, Savi Mane, Adish Bambal, Jeet Bhuva, Advika Singh, Malhar Shinde, Divisha Meshram, Khwahish Ruperia, Rajveer Chauhan, Zion Amosu, Arshiv Prasad, Dhwaj Gugale, Shravya Kochar, Sarthak Tiwari, Swara Kamble, Vihan Bahati, and Navay Chaudhary. Our cute little kids from EW Berries are going to dance on friendship. They will take you on a journey of joyful connections, playful moments, and the unbreakable bonds that make life so much more beautiful. Let's witness how the rhythm and energy of friendship come alive on stage, reminding us the value of those who stand beside us always. Yes? I can't hear you. Are you ready? What about the parents? Are you ready? Let's begin at the count of 3, 2, 1, music.
bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you life to live better. Talking about hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. I tell your mama really step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, tail rewinding, take it to the island way. Yeah, your baby mama, turn your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now, take it to the max now. Jam in the small jam way, jam in the small jam way. My bestie and your bestie, dancing by the fire. Your bestie says you want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now. I go, ane.
Wow, that was a beautiful performance. Thank you, kids from EW Berries. You were wonderful. Coming up next, we are going to have our kids from RTF 2. We're going to have a fun drama on Mobile Mera Jeevan Sathi from the kids of RTF 2. We have with us kids from RTF 2, Riyansh Jagade, Tasmay Lingade, Purvisha Gangwal, RV Vedande, Bhargavi Pore, Husaina Buildingwala, Arifa Sletewala, Harsh Wagmare, Shriyam Jadhav, Veda Rathod, Anvi Raidio, Anvisha Meher, Nakshatra Dhepale and Avya Vishwakarma. They are here to present to you a drama on Mobile Mera Jeevan Sathi. In today's world, there is one companion that we can hardly imagine living without. That's the mobile phone. It has become an inseparable part of our daily lives, connecting us to the world, providing entertainment. In this drama, Mobile Mera Jeevan Sathi, our students will explore the role of mobile phones in modern life, how they are both a source of convenience and at times a distraction. Let's watch our students bring to life a provoking story that highlights the impact of mobile phone on our personal lives and relationships. Can we start? Yes? Let's begin.
देखो वेलकम टू द बंदर शो। एक जमाना था जब टीवी बंदर सिखाते थे बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो। अब और एक बंदर है, मोबाइल वाला बंदर, जो कहता है किसी को ना देखो, किसी को ना सुनो, किसी से कुछ ना बोलो। और ये बंदर आप सबके घर पर राज कर रहा है और हमारी ही नजर के सामने हमारी पूरी जिंदगी बदल रहा है। सही कहा ना?
नजर के सामने जिगर के पास, नजर के सामने जिगर के पास कोई रहता है वो तुम।
आज कोई इसके बिना न जी सकता है, न खा सकता है, न पी सकता है। और इतना ही नहीं, इसके बिना तो किसी का वजूद ही नहीं रहा। मोबाइल तो जैसे सबकी जिंदगी बन गया है, कुछ इस तरह। ने तो हद ही कर दी है। सबकी नींद चैन सब चुरा लिया है। भाई साहब अब जरा चैन से सोने तो दो। मोबाइल का भूत चढ़ा है। यह तो ना किसी तांत्रिक से जाएगा ना ही किसी बाबा से जाएगा। इसको भगाना तो जैसे नामुमकिन सा लग रहा है। तो क्या लगता है आपको?
Wow. That was a beautiful message and a beautiful performance from our kids. Lovely. Let's clap for them. Come on, can we have it louder? Thank you, kids of RTF2. You were wonderful. On the stage, coming up next, we are going to have our children from EW Apple for another dance performance. They're going to dance on God. Let me call on stage EW Kids of Apple. Sehrish. Can we have Sehrish, Sharayu, Pravi, Anaya, Vanya, Tanush, Mihan, Viraj, Avneet, Raghav, Arindam, Advay, Mahira, Ashwat, Viransh, Sanskruti, Jiyansh, Sia, Tarush and Vedashri. These are our kids from EW Apple. Through this performance, we honor the divine force that gives us strength to face the world with courage, compassion and love. Let's come together in the spirit and witness a beautiful dance performance that celebrates the presence of the divine in our lives. Count of 3, 2, 1, music. Wow. Let's clap for them. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. They look beautiful.
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you.
ways. I thank God for His power. I thank God for His truth. His mercy sees me through. I thank God for my life. I thank God for my heart. I thank God for my friends, and that I am not alone. I thank God for this world. I thank God for the sun. I thank God for the stars. I thank God for His
Wow. Let's clap for them. Come on. They're looking so beautiful.
Every time I'm feeling down, you pick me up. Sing, oh, oh. And when my heart is feeling empty out, you fill my cup. Oh, oh. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. I owe you thank you. I owe you thank you. Here we go.
Wow. Superb. That was a beautiful performance from our kids of EW Apple. Thank you, children. You were wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our little ones for an outstanding performance. Towards the camera. Say thank you. Right. It's time for some fun with you, dear parents and grandparents. I'd like to call here Swapnil sir and his entire team on the stage. And yes, I will ask Swapnil sir to take it further from there. Can we have Runal along with Swapnil sir and his entire team? Deepika, Runal. Can we have all of you here? Before we begin with the next performance, we're going to have a small flash mob with you, dear parents. Yes, all of you, please stand up. Everyone. बैठे बैठे थक गए होंगे आप लोग, है ना? खड़े हो जाइए. Let's do some morning exercise. So we have a very talented choreographer with us from Swapnil sir's team. That's Runal. Yes, everyone. She says hi to you and we can't see the hi coming back. Runal, over to you.
अच्छा, बेसिक जो लोग मुझे पहले से जानते हैं उनको मेरा रूटीन पता है. मैं जो कर रही हूँ फॉलो करो. कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. जितना आता है उतना करो, एंजॉय करो. अगर मुझे आप में से किसी एक दो लोगों के स्टेप्स पसंद आ गए तो मैं आपको फॉलो कर लूँगी. ओके?
Can I see everybody stand standing. Can we have the lights on for a minute of the auditorium? There are a lot of people who are still sitting. Let's have a close look at you with the lights on. बच्चों को तो हमने बहुत डांस करवाया, अभी आपकी बारी है. It's going to be real fun. Please follow Ronald. How was the exercise? Super exercise. We have, I want you to stand up again, all of you. Yes. Little bit more. And to make it very clear, we've not arranged for lunch. Yes? So don't expect it from us. आपको हम सिर्फ डांस कराने वाले हैं.
ಚಂದಿರನು ಮುನ್ನಾಗೆ ಬನು ಕಾಲಂ ಗತೆ ಬಚ್ಚ ರಕ್ಷಗನೆ ಸಿಂಹಾರಗನೆ ಕನ್ನನಾಯಿ ವನ್ನಲನೆ ಭಯಮೇ ಮಾರಿಪೋನಿ ಅಣ್ಣನ್ ಬಂದ ತುಂಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೆಲ್ಲೆ ಇರುಟ್ಟು ಸಿಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾರುಂ ರಾಜ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾரும் ಸುಳ್ಳೆ ಇವನ ಕುರುವಾನಾಯಿ ಮುಂಚನತ್ತಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಂ ಬೆಳೆದು ಬಚ್ಚ ಸತ್ತ ಮೊದಲು
क्या बात है, Woohoo! Superb. Thank you Mrunal, thank you Deepika, such lovely dancers. Thank you my lovely audience, you all have danced so well. We're going to have 2 prizes for the best dancers in the audience. Yes, I'm going to announce that shortly. We request the parents of DR children to please come at the exit point. We're going to give your children to you. We have the handover of only DR kids. All the parents are requested to come at the gate which is right behind, जहाँ पे आपने अपने बच्चों को drop किया था, the back gate. We request you to please come back to the same place where you had dropped your children in the morning. We're going to hand over only DR kids right now. Of DR kids, please come to the gate where you had dropped them in the morning. We're going to hand over your child to you. Only DR parents. And we are going to have 2 prizes for the best dancers in the audience that we will announce shortly. Kids of RTF1 for a drama on relationship with my country. It is an absolute pleasure to celebrate the unique and powerful bond between children and their country. As a child achieves adulthood, a profound sense of patriotism often ignites within him or her. It's a feeling that transcends mere duty. It's a passion to defend and honor our nation's heritage, values and freedom. Bringing to you all a drama on relationship with my country from the kids of RTF1. Let's begin.
Yunana Soja Saksavre. How we can small children be 2 soldiers for our country. That's a good question, huh? Being soldier doesn't mean always shooting a gun. We can beat a soldier by being good citizen, studying well, helping others, and being kind. Yes, and we can help our country grow by taking care of environment. If we plant tree, keep surrounding clean and save water. That's how we help India. We can be two soldiers by being honest and respectful. We should respect our teacher, elder, and each other. Identity as strong. I think being two soldiers all about being honest. They are best. No matter what. Whether it is in school, helping at home, helping others, at home, or carrying my others. We are making country proud. When we grow up, we can choose many ways to serve our country. Whether it's a teacher, doctor, engineer, and even leader. We all play an important role. Yes, let's promise to be two soldiers every day. By helping, learning, and loving our country. And say all together. We are the two soldiers of India, helping it grow with love and care. Thank you.
Thank you. That was a beautiful drama from RTF 1. Coming up next, we're going to have kids of RTF 1 on stage. I'd like to call Arnav, Arav, Ansh, Viraj, Vivan, Dhruvik, Advait, Shrija, Veer, Naksh, Ansh, Gargi, Hindavi, Anaira, Shaurya, Nishyam, and Azian. These are our kids of RTF 1 bringing to you our next performance that celebrates the beauty, the strength, and the spirit of our country. Through this heartfelt melody, they will express their pride, love, and deep respect for the place we call home. This song is a tribute to the values that make our nation great: unity, diversity, and a shared vision for a brighter future. Let's begin at the count of 3, 2, 1, start.
ओ सदते मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया, मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया, तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो। तू सारे जहां से प्यार
जिनमें हो चुनो चुनो वो बूंदे लाल लहू के, ये सब तो मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तो खिला खिला ले, ये सब तो मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तो खिला खिला ले, और मोह तुरंग दे बसंती यारा, मोह तुरंग दे बसंती, मोह 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 रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती, मोह रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती.
Wow. Can we have a huge round of applause? This is beautiful. Superb. Thank you. Kids of RTF1, this is beautiful performance. EW Kids, only EW Apple. Parents are requested to please move towards the back door where you had handed your children in the morning to us. Only parents of EW Apple children. Please collect your children of RTF2 for a drama on technology. Children are growing up in a world that is surrounded by technology. From smartphones to tablets, laptops to gaming consoles, technology has become an integral part of their lives. While it is impossible to keep children away from technology, it is essential to teach them how to have a healthy relationship with it. Be a role model to your child because children often learn by example, and it is important to be a role model when it comes to technology. If you spend too much time on your phone or laptop, your child is likely to do the same. These are our kids of RTF2 bringing to you a drama on technology. Let's begin.
Mom, what are you doing? I am watching a recipe on YouTube. I am every day Say your bye. I am working from home today thanks to my laptop and internet. I can do my job without leaving the house. I am finishing my homework on my tablet. I will use the app to complete my work. It is so much easier to use technology. Ayan, say hi to Atta. It's amazing how we can connect with you all even though we live so far away. Thank you. All are busy in 21st century. Technology is everywhere. It helps us learn, work, connect, and even have fun. Alexa, play my favorite music. Thank you.
All are busy in the 21st century. Technology is everywhere. It helps us learn, work, connect, and even have fun. This skit shows how children today are growing up in a world full of technology, seamlessly using various gadgets and platforms for learning, connecting, and working, making them well equipped for the future. Let's clap for our wonderful kids who have brought to us a beautiful drama on technology. Thank you, RTF2. Coming up next, we are having kids of RTF2 bringing to you a technology dance. Dhyanishri, Arifa, Pratyush, Ira, Tasmay, Shivansh, Lirisha, Purvisha, Riyansh, Bhargavi, Husaina, Sarvadnya, Rai and Aradhya. These are our kids of RTF2 from Sunflower. A very important announcement. We have the parent dance after this performance. Parents who have participated in the parent dance on cinema are requested to come backstage. Parents who are going to perform on the parent dance on cinema are requested to come backstage. After the technology dance, we are having a parent dance. A 360 selfie booth which we have placed outside. You can all take some amazing photographs on the 360 selfie booth. It's free of cost. Please enjoy that moment with your child. Do not forget to take a picture before you leave on the 360 booth. It's placed right outside. Dispersal of EW cherries and berries. Parents, you can collect your children from the back gate. EW kids from cherries and berries to dance on technology. From the sparks of artificial intelligence to the beats of robotic precision, our performers will take you on a journey through the evolution of technology. Bringing to you RTF2, Technology in Motion. Let the dance begin.
Wow, this is robot. Let's check how dance this robot. Oh, what is this Power Ranger sword?
Let's clap for them. Come on, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, superb. Can we have the claps louder? Come on. Thank you, RTF2, you were wonderful. Now time for a parent dance. Can we have the parents on stage, the ones who are performing in oldies, the foot tapping moves of the disco era and the high energy beats of the modern world, all in one mesmerizing performance. Watch as we blend nostalgia with the new, celebrating evolution of dance and music, bringing to you a beautiful performance from our dear parents. Let's begin at the count of 3, 2, 1, go. beautiful mamas. From retro to metro, this was a lovely performance from our dear parents. Thank you. Moving on to the next performance from our kids of RTF2. They are bringing to you a drama on the importance of building a community. Can we have the kids on stage from RTF2? I'd like to call Gauri Mansata, Lirisha Verma, Bhargavi Pore and Aradhya Sapkal. They're going to do a drama on the importance of building a community. Ladies and gentlemen, when we build a community, we create a space where ideas flourish, friendship grows, and dreams turn into reality. It teaches us the values of teamwork, respect, and responsibility. Lessons that shape us into better individuals. Let us see what our kids have for you on stage. Let's begin.
Our teacher helped us to gain knowledge and guide us to become better a human being. Doctor and nurse ensure we stay healthy and strong. Farmer grow food we eat. And shopkeepers make sure we have everything we need. Police officers and firefighters keep us safe. Cleaner and sanitation workers make our surrounding clean and beautiful. Even the drivers who bring us to school, back home, are the party's big family. We call community. All these wonderful people known as community helpers show the value of hard work, teamwork and kindness. They inspire us to be responsible, help others, and to dream big. Please continue the amazing work. Today, we carried a special song to all of you, our heroes, a smart taker of the treat. Thank you.
Thank you, kids of RTF2, for a wonderful message on building a community. Calling on stage kids of RTF2 for a community dance. We're going to have with us Surujan, Vansh, Shivansh, Gauri, Jeenal, Nakshatra, Veda, Niharika, Harsh, Avyay, Anvisha, Abhirut, Kshitij and Anvi. They are our kids of RTF2 going to present to you a dance on community. Just like a community thrives when different people come together as one, dance becomes magical when different moves blend in perfect harmony. This performance is a tribute to the power of unity, teamwork and the joy of togetherness. Let's have a look at our students from RTF2 bringing to you a community dance. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to have our beautiful parents doing their lovely dance performance once again. We had a small technical error due to which the performance was a little incomplete. We apologize for the same. We're going to have our beautiful parents on stage again after this performance from RTF2. Let's begin. Ready? At the count of 3, 2, 1, music.
Greatest gift of all.
to last throughout the years. So bring your good times and your laughter too. We gon' celebrate your party with you. Come on now. Let's all celebrate and have a good time. We gon' celebrate and have a good time. It's time to come together. It's up to you. What's your pleasure? It's a celebration. It's a celebration. Let's celebrate the celebration. Come on and celebrate tonight. 'Cause everything's gonna be alright. Let's celebrate.
Superb. Wow. Let's clap for these wonderful kids with the wonderful performance. Thank you, RTF2. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I'd like to call our beautiful parents on stage for their dance performance. It's time to experience the golden oldies, the foot-tapping moves of disco era, and the high-energy beats of the modern world. All in one mesmerizing performance. Watch as we blend nostalgia with the new, celebrating evolution of dance and music. Sit back and enjoy the transformation of dance through the decades. Presenting to you Retro to Metro from our beautiful parents. Hold on. Ready? was a beautiful performance from our dear parents. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, all good things must come to an end, but not without a spectacular finish. As we come to the grand finale of this wonderful evening, get ready for a performance that brings together energy, passion, and celebration. Can we have the entire batch of Little Millennium Kondwa Cartridge on stage for the grand finale? Performance is a tribute to the journey that we've shared today, a blend of rhythm, joy, and togetherness. This performance is a reminder that every ending is the beginning of something new. Let's begin with all our kids at Little Millennium. Please clap for them. This is the grand finale from the entire batch of our school. Let's begin at the count of 3, 2, 1, music.
Take me to the right arm. As the wind between my fingers. Take me to the sun on the highest
There is a technical problem. Let's start again. Ma'am, we'll have the kids coming back again. Please take them inside.
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भई गिद्दा वाले चलेगा रंग जवा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चादर तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई हेलो हेलो तू मुझे घूमने लगाई येलो येलो
we have a big round of applause for our entire lot at Little Millennium. These are our beautiful teachers, the lovely students, and the entire staff at Little Millennium. As we come to close of this wonderful event, I take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this event a grand success. A special thanks to all the parents. Without your support, this event wouldn't have been possible. Last but not the least, to the organizing members and all the people involved in making this event seamless and a successful one. Thank you. Hip hip! Hip hip! Before you leave, can we all make some noise for our little ones who brought this event to you? Come on, 1, 2, 3. Can we hear you loud? Thank you. Thank you, parents. Little Millennium rocks, definitely. Yes. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip!
Each and every performance is curated with nice thought. हर एक performance आपको अलग दिख गया कि कुछ same थे? Everything is different. We tried our level best and hip hip hooray and big round of applause for the team. Didis, teachers, our dance choreographer sir, Swapnil sir, everybody, they have done a great job. So big round of applause for everyone. Thank you to the auditorium people. They helped us. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से support किया in everything. So thank you so much for all the auditorium people. Light Kamlesh bhai, सभी को thank you. And thank you to Rishi, my son. He came from Bangalore only to help me. Thank you so much, Rishi. And big thank you to my dear and lovely parents. Without you, it's not possible. Please come.
Parents, please join us on stage.
Okay, one thing. I'll just make children stand aside and I'll give you this platform. Okay? Fine? Okay. Yes, for sure. And we will just make children stand properly for the dispersal and then we'll bring you here. Okay?
Dance with all of you. All the parents, please join us on stage for one. And the lovely mamas, the handsome papas, all of you on stage, let us all dance together and make this annual day even more a memorable one. Like to join us, please come up on stage. I can recognize a few faces from the sports day that we had recently. Together to celebrate the achievement of our annual day 2024-25. Can I have all the teachers on stage? Can we have Swati ma'am here with us? Star of the event is here. Let's clap for Swati ma'am. Parents, students, I hope you understand that we've put in a lot of efforts to bring this show to you, especially our teachers, the staff, and Swati ma'am, of course.
आज की रात है कल से वही से पे है जी भर के नाच लो ना घर वाले ना मापे हैं जब पे अपना राज है डरने की क्या बात है ये तो बस शुरुआत है ये तो बस शुरुआत है
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है
ये तो बस शुरुआत है
बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी पहले ही दे दूं वार्निंग पार्टी चलेगी till 6 in the morning जी भर के ना चले बेबी नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो यार तेरा कर लेगा हैंडल चल में जारी जिसको अपनी जान प्यारी चुपचाप वो फ्लोर पे के नाचे गाए नखरे बखरे ना दिखाए शर्म करते पाए पाए माइकल जैक्सन वाले 2-3 एक्शन करके दिखाए पार्टी करनी है हम पार्टी करेंगे किसी के भी पापा से नहीं करेंगे हम हैं बेटे हम बाकी सारे पानी कम हमने रोक के दिखाए जिसकी बम में है दम
मस्ती है माहौल में चाय कुमारी है सारे थक के बैठ गए अपनी बातें जारी है मस्ती है माहौल में चाय कुमारी है सारे थक के बैठ गए पर अपनी पार्टी जारी है पंगा तो कोई शुरू करे अपनी भी गरारी है जुम्मी चुकी नोक पर रखी दुनिया सारी है रखी दुनिया सारी है
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है 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 और जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए
Superb. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Without your support, this event wouldn't have been possible. Have a great day. This is Anchor Neelam signing off. Goodbye and thank you.